outside. Drua thumped them over, getting forced back. Hogg is in the line. Out there to Darcy Graham. And what another fantastic covering tackle coming in. Here's Mata. Mata has help alongside him. That's Habosi. Habosi still going the left wing. And look at the Fiji jerseys. But leaving it behind to Teddy Teller. He's got a flyer on the outside. It's Vinaya the flyer. Habosi! Oh! He's done it again. He runs it around and it is a try to the Fijian Drua.
Oh, Habosi just again out the gates. Beautiful stuff from the draw. That actually came from the pressure from Ului Lekepa. Hunting down Dobby Newsom, which caused that turnover. It seems shooting out the line. Pass doesn't go to hand. Teller picks it up and gets to the flyer. Habosi. Races that have cost him so far. The Drua. Habosi, he'll get this started, powering his way towards the line. Took Gordon with him. A couple of untidy scrums early. It's been pretty solid, the platform. And the back goes Habosi. Beats the first. And he's got some wheels. Habosi. Oh, beautiful round the back pass to Mortar. Line out. Hits it. Here's Habosi. Oh, Rwani. And there's the offline we've been looking for. And this could be a magical moment for the Fijian Drua. Rush into the work away from the pace of the scrum. Habosi oval. Lamani. Here we go. Here we go. And Drua in space. And it'll line it up down the left. I don't think they'll get him. They won't get a hand on him. Habosi and Fiji. We're all
Once Habosi had the ball in his hands, no one was going to get there. Vinaya tried valiantly, but Sean Maloney, you know better than most.
Now Kawaki and wide they go right over to the man with the jet shoes. Oh, unbelievable.
Awesome.
And the crowd here goes wild.
Nasty. He's got back-to-back from last week. He scored. He scores again.
And you see the Western Force players here. They just move in. They don't stay out wide to be able to...
It'll come back though. And Habosi picks up another couple of metres. The midfield for the Drua. Habosi back in field. Kicking and good hands. Habosi, oh, he's beaten a couple. And the offload is good. But Ratu.
Good handling. Creates some space down the left side for Habosi, who soccers it in field.
Tell you what, he was going faster than my speed of thought even to try and stand up. Not that I would have. He absolutely decided this was on.
Dama setting it over the top. It works out well. That was what they were after. They wanted to bring Vinaya Habosi into the good forward here through the Ricken Daveta. Desperate for more points as we head towards the break. High contact here, and in comes Wilkin. Kept over the top for the boss man. Habosi beats the first tackle. Vinaya Habosi. Fire over to the boss man. Habosi beats one. Vinaya Habosi hopping now.
And so the penalty goes to the Drua again, and they're looking to up the tempo. Running onto Habosi quickly. This is what Lamani loves to do. And Habosi, he loves to run so many metres. And the offloads down to Salawa. Behind the Teddy Teller. He's got a flyer on the outside. It's the flyer. Habosi! Oh! He's done it again. He runs it around, and it is a try to the Fijian Drua.
The Brumbies, and they'll go quick through Habosi. Habosi steps over Nick White, and eventually Valentini goes in and puts him down. Lamani. See him in this replay, just that way he pounced on that ball, just exploded onto it, and it was just always going to happen. He was always going to score from that point on.
Valiant attempt from Lincoln McClutchy, and also another. Habosi. It's the first on the front foot. Pick and go time. Habosi, he's a winner. He's leaving many of them behind. The play quickly. Here's Habosi. The legs pumping well. The race is on. And Habosi gets up and then is absolutely smothered. Got the ball away though to Robovo. Set up for Habosi, and he got away from 1, 2, 4. Speedster alert. He gets the yellow boots pumping, gets it away to Robovo, who says, "Let's go! Robovo!" Cut out pass and Volta gets it away. Here's a chance for Habosi. Back on the inside, they go! What about the start break? Lamoni! The Fijian Drua! Habosi in full flight through the man, backing out brilliant. The Drua 22. Turnover now. Kamani! Smoking Joe. Brings out the flying winger, and away they go. It is Habosi from Namosi. Have a look at the crowd, listen to the reaction. Drive time. Up the back they go, they've got advantage here. Here's a break. And Habosi, he's got it in his hand. He's got one to beat. He comes back infield. They bring him down. A try. Sure, as many metres as possible. Quickly. Draw. Holding blue, wait. It's a good kick downtown. Overthrows it, a chance for Willette. That bad. And what about the athleticism from Vinaya Habosi? Good handling. Creates some space down the left side for Habosi, who soccers it in field, and Manito Omua absolutely flushes that. My speed of 14 to try and stand up, not that I would have. He absolutely decided this was on and stepped on it. It just shows how dangerous they are at any moment.
Dama sending it over the top. It works out well. That was what they were after. They wanted to bring Vinaya Habosi into the game, and that's through to Rikin Dalveta. Desperate for more points as we head towards the break. High contact here, and in comes Wilkin. Kellaway strong in there. Hardwick too. Over the top for the boss man. Habosi beats the first tackle. Vinaya Habosi. Boy, Canavere. It's Canavere. The boss man, Vinaya Habosi, just dropping guys left and right. Couldn't finish it off, Timmy.
A couple of weeks to the Queensland Reds, 3 tries in 6 minutes, they can do it.
Quick fire over to the boss man. Habosi beats one. Vinaya Habosi hopping now, and there's some space for Fiji.
Voilà, ça nous a